Mom, back again with another video. So I'm going to show you how to do a text message. This little icon here, the little speech bubble, that is your, if I can get it to focus, that is your texting app. It's called Signal. Jacob. So we're going to click on that button. Whoops. Okay, there's that Signal app right there. There's the Signal app. We're going to click on that. That's your messaging app. And it shows that you got a message from me. So we will look at this. The first one says, "Hi Mama." That's the first time I tried texting you, and obviously it worked. And I then tried texting you a picture, and it did. I said, "Thought you'd like to see my frangipansy." And that poor frangipansy is in quite the state right now, but we're hopefully going to get it fixed. But anyway, that is your Signal app. And that's how you receive text messages. Now, if you wanted to send me a text message back, you would click right here. And it comes up with a keyboard. And you would just type a message. Pretty. With a little exclamation point. I don't know why it was all in caps, but you can do that. And you click this little icon here, and it shows you, it will send a confidential text message. There we go. And my phone just got it, actually. All right, that's it. Thank you.